Can you tell me what we've been working on with consonants, what we've been doing with consonants?
Mrs. Roach loves a challenge.
How many sounds is that? 4 sounds.
She's at her best with kids who are struggling.
I love making a difference in a child's life. I've known since the time I was little bitty that I wanted to be a teacher.
I'm done.
Okay.
And teaching at-risk students at Jerry Whitson Elementary in Cookeville makes sense when you learn more about Heather's at-risk life. 13 years ago, Heather married Henry. They loved movies and eating out and riding motorcycles. 7 years ago, Henry crashed. A bad crash. He was in a coma for a year.
Hey, Henry.
Doctors said it was hopeless.
You've been working hard today?
Heather said it wasn't.
The doctors said that he would never walk or talk, or, he would be lucky to progress. They usually say about 12 months out from a brain injury like Henry's, that's where they're going to be for the rest of their life. And I said, not my Henry. Did you ride your bike today? Yes. He'll be the patient that beats all odds.
And so she fought for her man every impossible step of the way.
We don't think he would have lived if it hadn't been for how she cared for him and stayed. I mean, she'll go toe to toe to fight for his rights.
Come here, lean up here. Let's get you woke up.
Heather's boss also notices something else, something big for everyone to think about.
When we talk about marriage vows, we're talking about Heather and Henry. This is love in action. This, love is, not that flutter in your heart anymore, but the day-to-day, taking care of somebody's needs, putting them first.
Not that it's easy, far from it, and even a careless word from a friend sometimes hurts.
Somebody, complained that her husband called her at lunch, and I'm like, I wish my husband could call me at lunch. I do. Or, I wish that we could go out to eat together and Henry be able to eat with me, and not look at that as, oh my gosh, I have to go out to eat with my, I'd rather be, it's just, that is hard.
Yes, there are tears, but mostly there is just work.
Ooh.
The Roaches have saved a lot of money on restaurants and movies and books and vacations.
That's the first thing we got was Henry's mat. My dad built that.
That money has gone into Henry's workout room.
The insurance won't pay for none of this.
The bathroom is a nightmare, cramped and complicated.
I have to stand in the middle of this.
No one enjoys this place. Yet Heather will tell you it's all worth it because Henry is getting better. There are always small, spectacular gains because inside his broken body, Henry's still here. He's still with us.
Would you like it if I could stay home on Monday? I would too.
Heather and Henry can't help but believe if they could just somehow buy a true handicapped accessible home, a place where going to the bathroom or showering wouldn't be an ordeal, that Henry would get better faster and Heather would have more energy. And so Heather's old friends from school started a home for Heather and Henry. They figured it would cost $85 a square foot to build their dream.
When we first started, God just laid on our hearts. Noah built the ark. People told him he was crazy, you can't do that. And he just did it one piece of wood at a time. So we just felt like the only way Heather and Henry would ever have a home would be to build it 1 square foot at a time.
The fundraisers have netted nearly $40,000. Much of the labor has been donated and is waiting in the wings, but they are still a painful $100,000 short.
It's baby steps.
Look over there and see Dad and tell him hi.
And what's wrong with baby steps? The Roaches make it through the day for the joy of baby steps. The world puts romantic love on a pedestal.
Here and hug me.
Heather Roach finds it in a wheelchair.
Henry's the only one for me forever, no matter what we have to go through. And that's not easy. It's not, all fun and games and mushy-gushy love, but I know Henry loves me. Otherwise, he wouldn't be here if he didn't, because it would have been so much easier for him to just give up. And it would be easy for me to give up, but that's not an option for either of us. I mean, we're in it till the end, and I can't imagine a day without him.